Hola, it's me, Nate, creator of SpanishWithNate.com, the place where I teach aspiring Spanish speakers how to improve all aspects of their Espanol and teach them the exact method I use to learn fluent Spanish in just over 1 year. In this program, there are hours upon hours of learning content, teaching you everything you need to know so you can speak beautiful Spanish and connect with native Spanish speakers. I'll share with you how to easier memorize words and phrases and teach you how to conjugate verbs and master the confusing tenses of Spanish. You'll learn what it takes to achieve a native level of pronunciation and how to hone your listening skills so you can easier understand native Spanish speakers even when they speak fast. The course will allow you to become the confident Spanish speaker you know you can become, and you'll have a genuinely fun time learning the language. In addition to the video lessons, songs, quizzes, worksheets, and more that I provide to you, you'll also gain access to our private community of Spanish learners from all over the world, full of members who are looking to help each other improve their Spanish every day. Here, you can ask questions, share success stories, give feedback, and be part of a close-knit Spanish learning family. I also act as a mentor in this group, sharing insights, articles, and videos that I think will be helpful and interesting to our group members. The best part about this course is that you get access to it for life. This is a lifetime membership. There's only one upfront cost, but after that cost, you'll get access to all of the current content and future content as well. You can watch at your own pace as many times as you want from your phone or computer. Whether you're a beginner with no experience or an advanced speaker looking to improve your use of tenses, this program has huge benefits for everyone. And I'm so confident you'll love it. I have a full 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you feel like you don't get your money's worth, email us within 30 days and we'll fully refund you, no questions asked. If I can't help you improve your Spanish, then I don't want your money. So, sign up today to see why many who have been learning Spanish from YouTube or other online programs are saying that this is one of the best Spanish courses out there. If you have any questions, you can send me an email at SpanishWithNate@gmail.com and I'll see you inside the course. Adios.